In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to name ketones. How do we identify ketones? Ketones have the carbonyl group within the chain, and it must be bonded to two other carbons. So, for example, you must have the carbonyl group attached to two other carbon chains for it to be a ketone. C double bond O must be between two carbons. So once you see that, that tells you you're dealing with a ketone functional group. The IUPAC naming rules for ketones are as follows. The first thing is to find the longest chain that includes the carbonyl group. The second one is number the chain from the end closest to the carbonyl group, which is like the ketone group. Identify and name substituents if there are any. Include the position of the carbonyl group if necessary. Replace the E at the end of the alkane name with ONE, and that is the suffix for ketones. Example 1, you're given this compound and you're asked to name it. The first thing to do is to identify the longest continuous carbon chain, and we're going to count from the side that gives the ketone functional group the lowest number possible. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you count from this side, you have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you count from the right, the position of the ketone functional group will be on carbon 5. But if you count from the left, it's going to be on carbon 3. So that means we're going to go with the first counting because that gives the ketone a lower number. Once we have the longest continuous carbon chain identified, the next step would be to see if there is any branches or any substituent. If we check, apart from the functional group, the other attached atoms are hydrogens, which means we don't have a branch. So we'll just go ahead and name. The longest continuous carbon chain is 7, and the prefix for 7 carbons is hept. And remember that we name this as if we're naming an alkane. So you're going to say heptane. So complete it as if you're naming an alkane, heptane, and then remove this E. Place the position of the functional group, which in this case is 3, and then put ONE. So the name of this compound will be heptane 3-one, and that is it.